Morning, everybody. Tuesday, December 20th. I don't know. Coffee? Porter and Scout don't often play.
It's really cute.
They get along, but they don't play much. Babe, I'm gonna retire. 61 cents from YouTube.
You say 51?
61 cents. Whoa. Thanks to a viewer's special request, here's some more Scout time. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this. This is what he does all day. Just sleeps. This little spot on the couch. Sweet little guy. Yeah, I want his life. It's not fair. It's not fair, buddy. It's not fair. It's kind of fair. Everybody. I don't know why I said that like the Backstreet Boys. I want to talk to you guys about subscribing. So subscribe to my channel, and then you can get all of the amazing Made by Jway. Well, they're not amazing, but they're Made by Jway videos, and they come out every day because I'm doing a daily vlog. Call to action. Click this button. Subscribe. If you're not signed into YouTube already, like seriously, what's your problem, man? Sign into YouTube. There's like a million videos. There's millions of videos, much like mine, even better, on YouTube. Seriously? You pay cable, but you don't have a YouTube subscription? It's free. Come on. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Going to Dad's house to help him move the furniture back in the rooms where we finished the hardwood floor, because the hardwood floor is dry. Here we go. Okay, here comes the big reveal. Finished hardwood floors. Never mind. Door is locked. Oh, it's open. Hello. Hardwood floors. Finished. Look at this. Okay, just had lunch with Dad and moved his furniture around. Now we're going back home.
Just hold on to this, he says. He says, just hold on to this. This is freaking floor stain in a bucket. We're driving. This isn't stressful at all, John. And these are my good pants with paint on them, not my bad pants with paint on them. Fuck! God, dude, stop doing that.
Alright, we made it home, thankfully. Did some work. Let the dogs out. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to run a check to one of the guys that I work with. Make sure he can get paid. That is down in Midtown. It's 4 o'clock. This should be fun. Okay, check dropped off. Time to fight the traffic. Maybe I'll beat the traffic. Anyway, we gotta go. Gotta go home. John's napping. Doesn't matter, because today I made a router table insert for my table saw table so that I can make easier jigs to route out such things as cutting boards. Made it out of plastic, attached a router to the bottom, hard to see down here, but it's awesome. And it works on the table saw, which allows me to use this rip fence so they can get a nice clean route out of anything. Awesome, love projects. Now we're going to dinner with Caroline's parents. Okay. Back home from a nice chilly dinner with Caroline's folks. Her sister Cam is in town. Time to hang out at home. Okay. Had a good dinner over at Dana Marie's house. Good work in the shop today. It's a little cold. Tomorrow need to get more work done on Christmas projects and that show coming up in January. So we'll see you then.